Today we're cooking this unbelievably tasty sesame chicken. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I absolutely love this sesame chicken. It's better than takeout and super simple to make. It's crispy, sticky, sweet, salty, and a little bit spicy. It's one of those dishes that covers all the bases to ensure that everyone will clear the plates. We're going to start by heating 5 tablespoons of oil in a wok. Whilst that oil's heating, we're going to start on the chicken. I've got 3 chicken breasts here that have been cut into bite-sized pieces, and we're going to coat it in a simple 3-stage coating. So in our first bowl, we'll add 2 eggs. In the second bowl, we'll add 3 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch. And in a third bowl, we'll mix together 10 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon each of salt, pepper and garlic salt, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Now dredge the chicken in the cornflour, then dip in the egg, making sure that all the chicken is covered in egg wash, and finally dredge in the seasoned flour. Once all the chicken's coated, we'll add it to the wok. You want to cook those over a medium to high heat for about 6 to 7 minutes, turning over a few times during cooking until they're golden brown all over. You'll probably need to cook the chicken in 2 batches to make sure it stays nice and crispy. And once it's cooked, remove it from the pan. Now we're going to make the sauce. This is a really simple sauce to make. You just add it all into the wok and bubble it all up together. If you like the dish to be really saucy, then you can double up all the sauce ingredients, but I'm going to make just enough to coat the chicken. And we're going to start by adding a tablespoon of sesame oil to the wok. Next in goes 2 cloves of minced garlic, a tablespoon of Chinese rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of sweet chilli sauce, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir together and bubble on a high heat until the sauce reduces by about 1/3. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the chicken back in and gently toss in the sauce to coat. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. I like to serve this dish with boiled rice, topped with sesame seeds and spring onions or scallions. And that's my crispy sesame chicken. It's been one of the most popular recipes on the blog for the last couple of years. I don't know why it's taken me so long to video it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.